Hey, John Catalano here from Diamond Audio. And today I would like to talk to you about why you should be looking at Diamond Audio for your Powersports installation kits. Let's get into it. So some of the key features here is it's vehicle-specific kits. So Can-Am, Ranger, Razor. These kits are designed specifically for those vehicles, so it's perfect fit. Comes with the harnesses, comes with the speaker plates and adapters, so everything goes like as if it was an OEM setup. And then we have the brackets, the wiring, everything to make the installation very easy and straightforward and efficient. Right? We want everything to go as smoothly as possible and have the best results as possible. So to expand on the vehicle specificness, we have multiple packages that are available. So you get your entry level deck and 2 setup all the way up to the full blown setup that has subwoofer, multiple speakers and panels, tower speakers. It gives you the ability to upgrade the customer. They can start with maybe the entry level kit and then step up as they expand their system. So lots of potential there for upgrading. Again, speakers, subwoofers, tower speakers. The possibilities are endless there. And then there's 2 versions of the kits. So there's a mud kit and then there's a dirt kit. So depending on how the user uses their vehicle, if they know that they're not going to go where they're going to be submerging the vehicle, they can get away with going with the dirt kit. If they know they're going to be in a situation where they may flood the vehicle, then they can go with the fully waterproof setup in the mud kit. And that's just to kind of save the customer some money, right? If they don't need to go fully waterproof, they could save a few dollars and go with the dirt kit. But you just got to qualify your customer and make sure they're getting the right kit for their needs. All right, guys. Well, we spent a lot of time engineering these kits to make the experience perfect for your customer. We wanted an efficient setup, plus a very good sounding setup and ease of installation. All these things are encompassed by these kits. So I encourage you to check out diamondaudio.com for more information, and we'll see you on the next one.